Happy Monday. Welcome to February. What we're doing today, we have our attendance, our agenda, our instruction video. Go ahead and watch that, which you're doing right now. Good job. Oh, that seemed a little short there. There we go. And then flip through today's daily slide, answer the questions based off the daily slide. So if you're ever wondering, Ms. Coleman, I don't know how to answer these questions, go through the slideshow. That will give you the answers right there. And then we're going to be doing an element builder gizmos today. So we're going to be talking about atoms, elements, molecules, and compounds. So we're going to be making some elements, some atoms. So go ahead, open up this Google Doc. Also, if you forgot what the login information for gizmos is, it's right there. So it'll bring you to this Google Doc right here. There are always some questions to do before the gizmo, so there are these questions right here. So what are the different substances that make up pizza? So like, what is pita? What are ingredients for pizza? What makes up water? What makes up gold? So what's inside things? And then you have this handy dandy gizmos right here. It's going to ask you some just questions about how to use it, and then you're going to be creating some elements. You're going to create carbon, oxygen, hydrogen, argon. You're going to look up the periodic table and try to see if you can find these 4 elements on your periodic table. And then try to create magnesium, lithium, aluminum, and neon. And then answer that question right there. A quick note, so the link to the gizmos is right here. And it'll bring you right here. You'll know you're logged into the Crest account if it says Coleman Hour 1 or Coleman Hour 2 right here, depending on which hour you're in. And then we're doing the element builder, so it's this third one right here. Once it loads, I'm just going to show you a couple of things. One, it asks you to show element name, and that's how you'll know which element you make, because if we start adding things, I have no idea what I'm making, but if I click show element name, oh, this tells me that I made beryllium. Then I can also take stuff away, I can just completely restart. And then I have to start with at least 1 proton here. Down at the bottom, it tells you how many you have. So 1 proton, blank neutrons, no electrons. And so you add this stuff. And see how it says stable here and ionized here? Those are ones we want to pay attention to. So like if we start adding, say, neutrons, it'll become radioactive. We don't want stuff to be radioactive. That means that it won't stay very long. It's unstable. And then ionized, we want it to be, if we add not ionized. So basically I want it to have nothing there. Ionized is bad, or at least it's not what we're going for, and then not ionized is what we're going for. And again, radioactive, you can change that by adding different things. And then, oh, it's ionized again, so now I have to add until it's not ionized. And there we go. So it's stable, not ionized, and we have a correct element name. And so that is our element builder. And so that's what we're going to be trying to create today. And then for your extension today, there is this awesome program, this awesome site called MoleView. You can go to the MoleView site, create different cool molecules. It's a very, very cool site. I absolutely love it. You can use the search bar at the top to find some cool ones. Here I have the water molecule also. These are interactive, so you can like zoom in and zoom out and like click and drag to look at them. Now, of course, if you zoom out a lot, you will lose it. So if you just see a blank screen, just try zooming in a lot. And then it'll eventually get back to you. You can see these are different cool molecules: water molecule, caffeine molecule, chlorophyll molecule, GSM molecule, capsaicin molecule. So those are just cool molecules to look at that are made up the elements that we made today. And then star slides, you have a new set of star slides for today. So go ahead, open those, and then check off everything that you've done. And that's what we got. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, have a great rest of your Monday, and I'll see you in class. Bye.